We still do not know who person A is. The controlling shareholder of the company that sells hundreds of millions of dollars of equipment to the Ministry of Health. A law was passed in 2023 making it compulsory for the ultimate beneficial shareholders of companies to be reflected on the company's office registry. Medical Technologies, the company that sells the drill, is still not complying with that law. And the person who is complicit in making them not comply is a government member of parliament who is a lawyer who sat in the parliament when that law was passed. Shame, shame, shame.